Rod, when by doing, and I just took a quick break off work. I thought I'd share something with you. You know, there's been a lot of recent updates to eBay and their listing app, or the listing portion of their Android app. I'm not sure if it applies to all you users. I'm not an fan, so I am not an user. Anyway, I digress. Basically, I went in and was doing some listing, and here's a few things I did notice. Changes to the Android app. Some things I feel are broken, some things I like. Number one, which I'm pretty sure that the Apple or iPhone users have already been able to do, they have brought back the ability to pick or select multiple photos from your image gallery on your phone instead of having to take or add one photo at a time. If you're doing photos, you do have to take one photo at a time, but if you take all your photos ahead of time using your phone, then you can select multiple and then go in and edit each one as you feel necessary. That to me is a plus. It saves a little bit of time. The big one is good till cancel. It's a rough parking lot. Listing from your phone, it appears that all your listings, your buy it nows, are set to good till cancel, and they have removed the ability to change that. I don't do good till cancel because I like to have that control in my listing and the reminder that I still have it out there so that I can choose to change the strategy on that particular item if I want. There is an workaround on this. If you just go to your PC, and you could probably go in and do it with the with your phone if you just open in classic browser the app, and then but you have to go in and use the web browser or the URL website, the eBay website, and you can go in and edit. So my suggestion, if you're doing your listings from phone, save it as a draft, go over to the PC and modify it there. The one thing I don't like about listing on the PC is it doesn't give me the option to right there on the draft to edit or to add a second shipping option. I typically do on things that go first class. I typically do two shipping options. I do the first class option, and I also do the a priority. If it's small enough to fit in a priority flat rate, I'll do that, or I'll do just standard priority. I think that will help. I think that helps with this guaranteed delivery program that they got going. It qualifies those listings for that as long as I maintain the same day or next day handling time. So definitely my words of advice is go in and double check your listings before you hit submit. Make sure that I actually had to go back and forth. I started the listing on the phone. I went over to the PC, updated the good till cancel, changed it to 30-day, and then I saved it as a draft because it removed my second shipping option, and then I went back to the phone and modified the draft. It maintained the 30-day listing, and I was able to add my second shipping method in there as well. So anyway, yeah, just double check everything, make sure before you hit submit, and make sure everything is how you would like it. Workaround, it takes a little bit longer, is go back to the PC and modify the things that can't be done on your phone. The other option is just take all your photos and go to your PC and add them there. That's just not for me, because there's things on the website that I don't like that I can do on the phone. So that's it. If you already knew about this, sorry for wasting your time. But yeah, keep on listing, and the sales will roll in. We'll catch y'all later.